Good afternoon, YouTube. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. But in today's video, we're going to be installing some new lights in the back. Yeah, I know I said that I wasn't going to attack the back anymore, but we're going to be changing that. And then we're going to be also changing the rear lights. This is how it looks. So when I unlock the button, you can see that it's a little warped. What I'm going to put is I'm going to put this there, just one solid LED. And these are a lot more high quality, so it's gonna look a lot better. That's what we're gonna be doing. And then this part right here, this is the stock reverse. I'm gonna be putting on the other one, and it's gonna look a lot better. This right here has a solid LED. When you go into reverse, it's a nice white, and then when you press the brakes, the ring light pops up. But when it's nighttime, when the lights are on, this is always on. When you press the brake, it gets brighter. Let's get the car on the jacks and then take the light out, install this. Let's jump into it. So these lights really, they don't, oh my god, look how warped that is. You see it? Holy shiza. Anyway, so to get it, all you have to do is you have to push this side in, and then you just squeeze this with your thumb, like that, and it literally just pops out. Like that. Yeah, they're a little brittle. But anyway, now you take this off, unplug it from that because we do not need this anymore. Plug it into a connector like that, and then take it, plug it in. Take your keys and unlock it. Yep, see? And that's how it's gonna look. Once when it's plugged in and stuff like that, you do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm not gonna show it, but that's literally the end result. Pick up these two, and then there's some up here. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see that.
Dang! It's a bunch of trash. Simple install on a good day.
Oh yeah, I know.
You just need some ice cream. Kidding.
Yeah.
As soon as I said that.
I'll take Gabe.
As soon as I said that.
I'll take his other
I was
scooter.
gonna regret it. I was like, nah.
I'll take his other scooter and we'll look around for the little.
Uno boat. Now we just need 3 more.
Look, he's so close.
I have cash in my wallet. You just have to go get it.
Tell him to wait.
You tell him to go wait.
Alright. You guys, money.
Look guys, it's out. So my cameraman thinks she has paid time off. She thinks she got paid time off. Anyways, it's out. It's out. It's nasty. Time to pop on the new one. You gotta get that on camera. Are you ready?
There you go.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
So that's parking, that's just with the lights on general. And then now when I go and press the brakes.
Lighting up. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh.
And then if I turn off the wires, and I hit the brakes. Is he coming off?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys are gonna wire this up, don't let it get confused, or don't let it get confused. It's super simple. But anyway, so this is a 2015 Mustang. So you're gonna connect the red wire from here and put it into the green wire. You're gonna connect the white or yellow wire to the red wire. Alright, so here is a nighttime view of how the new brake light looks. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. So when I lock it or unlock it, it all brights up. And I lock it, just goes. Unlock. That's so dope. I'm gonna have Nat get in so you guys can see how bright the LED is. But it looks so good. Oh my goodness, it completes the back. Take your foot off the brake. Now push it again. Ah, yeah. Alright, now put it in reverse. Ah, dude, that thing is bright. Holy shiza. Yes, sir. Alright, put it in park. Ah, that's so cool. Let off the brake. Damn, that's so cool. Put the brake on. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh, and for the side, that's the whole back end now. It's the whole back end. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, well that's the end of the install. Hope you guys liked it. It came out perfect. The new side markers look way better. It came out really good. I like getting rid of the side marker because it was really warped. There's a lot of water going in it. I don't think the condensation, it was meant to keep out the condensation. But anyways guys, I hope you guys liked the install. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Go out, do great things. And like I said, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.